Hey, welcome campers. This lesson is for 7th and 8th grade only because you've already viewed the video Words to Expressions. Okay, and these guys, hi, they are so funny. Okay, you know what? I think I could probably put them on the top of a pen. I could put them on the top of a pen cap. Oh, that's fun. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay, but first, we're gonna go Words to Expressions. Again, you've already viewed this one. And we put all of these expressions, we've already put all of these expressions into the category that they went into. And we went through these problems already. Okay, these were one operation problems. Now what we're going to do is do compound expressions. Let me show you what this looks like. Let me refocus. Okay, notice here at the top it says Words to Expressions compound. So that means, like a compound sentence, it's going to have an and in it. Represent the following sentence as an algebraic expression where a number is the letter x. You do not need to simplify. Okay, I'll explain what that means. Okay, this one says 8 plus the cube of a number. Okay, let's talk about this. Let me swing back up here, get this set up, refocus. There we go. Okay, 8 plus the cube of a number. So it's 8 plus what? The cube of a number. So the cube of a number would be that, x cubed. Okay, that would be how your answer would look. Now when you type this in on your keyboard, because we're using our keyboard when we're doing, we're using our keyboard when we're doing the Delta Math thing. When you type this in to Delta Math on your keyboard, you're going to put 8 plus x caret 3. And when you do that, Delta Math will automatically generate an expression that looks like this. So that's 8 plus the cube of a number. Okay, let's do a few more of these. Twice the difference of 9 and a number. Okay, look at this first part. Twice the difference. So I've got 2 times the difference. That's the beginning part. Twice the difference. Twice the difference of what? Twice the difference of 9 and a number. So twice the difference of 9 and a number would look like that. Okay, the difference of 9 and a number goes in that exact order. It's different than where we did it on the other video. Where did it go? There it is. Here we go. Here, if we have 2 less than a number, that would be 2 less than a number, so x minus 2. But when it says the difference of 3 and a number, that just goes in that exact order. So the difference of 3 and a number is 3 minus x. The difference of 9 and a number, 9 minus x. So that one looks like that. So that is the answer to number 2. Okay? Now these can be challenging. So when you're going through them on Delta Math, if you don't get the right answer, that's okay, because we're learning. Okay? Right now, we're learning, so it's okay. Okay, 7 plus what? 7 plus twice a number. Twice a number would be 2x. So there's 7 plus twice a number. Okay, 5 times what? 5 times something. 5 times what? The square of a number. So 5 times the square of a number would look like that. Again, when you put it in Delta Math, you'll put 5x caret 2, and then that will be generated. Because what it does is it just takes x caret 2 and makes it x squared. Okay, next one. 3 less than something. Okay, right there that tells me 3 less than something. So I've got 3 less than something right there. 3 less than what? 6 times a number. So 3 less than 6 times a number would look like that. Okay, here, the product of. Okay, the product of. So that indicates I'm going to multiply. The product of 6 and the difference of 8 and a number. Okay, that looks very wordy. Let's break it down. We're looking at a product. So I've got something times something. I'm going to approach this one like this. You know how the dot indicates times. The product of what? The product of 6 and, okay, so here comes the second part. Like if we were looking at like an English sentence joined by the word and, the first part is 6, and the second part is the difference of 8 and a number. So the difference of 8 and a number looks like that. So that would be the product of 6 and the difference of 8 and a number. Now when you put this in Delta Math, you can just put 6, left parentheses, 8 minus x, right parentheses, and then hit enter. And so that's what your number would look like. The product of 6 and the difference of 8 and a number. Okay, I know I keep repeating myself, but I'm hoping that it sinks in why we're doing it the way we're doing it. Okay, just a few more to go. Number 7, 12 minus. Okay, now that indicates 12 minus. 12 minus what? The square of a number. Well, there's the square of a number right there. So 12 minus the square of a number. And again in Delta Math, 12 minus x caret 2. And it'll generate that. Okay, next one. 3 less than. Okay. There we go. 3 less than what? The product of 6 and a number. Oh my gosh. You know what? I didn't realize that's just like this. This is 3 less than 6 times a number. This is 3 less than the product of 6 and a number. So they used product instead of 6 times. Oh my gosh. Same thing though. Okay, next one. The cube. The cube of something. The cube of what? Well, the cube of, so I know it's the cube of something. That means to the third power. The cube of the difference of 1 and a number. Okay, let's look at the difference of 1 and a number. The difference of 1 and a number. So that's what that would look like. The cube of the difference of 1 and a number. Now when you put this in Delta Math, you're going to put left parentheses 1 minus x, right parentheses caret 3, and then it'll generate that expression right there. Okay, you know, just as a reminder, you can always hit pause and then replay anything if you need, like, ooh, I need to hear that again, I didn't catch that. Always, you know, hit pause, replay. Again, that's the advantage to having these lessons online. Okay, what do we have? The last one, number 10. 4 is divided by, okay, so 4 is divided by what? The difference of a number and 3, okay? The difference of a number and 3. So like that. Now here's the thing. When you put this in Delta Math, you're going to do 4 slash, now you have to put the denominator in parentheses, left parentheses x minus 3. So that indicates that 4 is divided by all of that. 4 is divided by the difference of a number and 3. So 4 divided by x minus 3. And when you put that in, Delta Math will generate this. So type this in, and Delta Math will generate that expression. Okay, that's it. I'm going to have you guys try some compound problems because it's really useful to have those things practiced. And you guys are just going to be rocking math stars, I'll tell you what. So, good job. These guys watched. Oh, I forgot to use them on my pen. I'll have to do that next time. All right, so have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.